everyone. Good morning. How are you all, my tiny tots? You all are doing good? Yes? I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at home. So children, let's start our learning session. Okay? But before starting with the session, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Para Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good. So children, let's start with the spoken English session. Okay. Now in your last spoken English session, during the last spoken English session, I have taught you all about the greetings. How will you greet the people? How will you greet your friends? How will you greet your teachers, elders, parents, right? And the second topic was introduction. If anyone asks you something about yourself, then how you are going to give the answer in full sentence, right? So this was the thing that I have taught you all in the month of April, and even last week we have revised, right? So now let's proceed towards the new thing. What you can see on the screen, you can see a lady holding a stick with a finger saying yes or no. Yes. So this is the next topic that I am going to teach you in the spoken English subject. Yes and no. There are many questions through which you can answer, you can answer the questions with yes and no. I'll show you some pictures on the screen stating the statement. Through the picture, you will be able to answer whether you want the thing or not. What do you mean by yes? हिंदी में yes को क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, right? Yes means हाँ. If you want something, you will say yes, I want this. And what do you mean by no? No means nahi. If you don't want anything, if you don't want to do that thing, you will say no, right? Yes means if you want something, if you want to accept it, then you will say yes. If you do something, you will say yes. And no means nahi. If you don't want something, if you don't want to do that thing, you will say no. Okay. Now I will show you some pictures on the screen, through which it will be easy for you all to understand that what ma'am is saying. Now children, you all can see, what is this? An apple, right? So the question I will read the question for you all. Okay, is this an apple? The question is this an apple? And below the question you can see two boxes saying yes and no. Green box में लिखा है yes and red box में लिखा है no, right? So if you want, so you have to give the answer yes or no. But in the last session what I said, you have to answer in full sentence. Is this an apple? Yes, है ना, ये apple है ना, so you have to say yes. Yes, this is an apple. Okay, yes, this is an apple. Now the second picture. Is this a dog? Is this a dog? No, this is not a dog. What is this? This is a cat, right? So what you will say? No. Your answer will be no. Okay, you have to answer in yes or no. Okay. Now children, what you can see on the screen, what is this picture? This is a scissor, right? But the question given over here is this a pencil? This is a pencil? No. So your answer will be no. This is not a pencil. No. Then the next one. What is this? Fork. But the question given here is this a spoon? So what is going to be your answer? No, this is not a spoon. This is not a spoon, right? So your answer will be no. Then the next one. Now children, you have to identify this object. Say what is this? This is a ball, right? But let's see the question what is given for you all over here. The question given over here is this a ball? So you have to answer, is this a ball? Yes. So your answer will be yes. Then the next one. Is this a door? Yes. This is a door. Now the next one. What is this? Paintbrush. But the question over here is, do you paint with the paintbrush? क्या आप paintbrush से paint करते हो? Yes. So what is going to be your answer? Yes or no? Do you paint with your paintbrush? Yes. Now children, we have learned about the shapes in English, right? And even in other subjects also. So I'll show you two objects related to the shapes, okay? So the question is this a triangle? This looks like a triangle? No. So your answer will be no. This is not a triangle. Okay? And which shape of a pizza is this? Circle. But the question given over here is this a square? So this is a square? No. This is a circle. So your answer is going to be no. Okay? Understood everyone? Then identify the color of this flower. The question is this red? The color of the flower is red? Yes, the color of the flower is red. Your answer will be yes. Okay? So children, in this way you have to answer the question yes or no. I have taught you how to answer yes or no. Okay? This is a yes or no type questions. Okay? So now it's time. I'll show you some picture. Now you have to give me the answer whether it is yes or no. Okay? If the answer is correct, you have to say yes. And if the answer is not correct, you have to say no. Okay? The question is this a bed? क्या ये bed है? Is this a bed? Come on, say yes. This is a bed. Good, very good. If you want to say yes, if the picture is correct, you will say yes. Okay? Now, is this a dog? क्या ये dog है? No, this is not a dog, right? So your answer will be no. Then, is this a duck? This is a duck? Yes, this is a duck. Now the next one. What you can see on the screen? Pen. So the question is this a pen? Yes, this is a pen. Now, is this a ball? No, this is a kite, right? So your answer is no, this is a kite. Yes. So children, in this way you have to answer whether the question, if the question is correct, you will say yes. And if the picture stating is wrong, agar wo galat hai, you will say no. Okay children? I hope you all understood the pictures that I have shown you all on the screen describing the question saying yes or no. Okay? So, at home also you can ask your parents to show you the objects and to identify whether it is correct or not. If it is correct, you will say yes, and if it is wrong, you will say no. Okay everyone? Thank you for watching this video. Now start practicing. Okay? Keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you. Bye-bye.